The Lenja-speaking people are among the Bantu Botatwa-speaking people who are also called Benamukuni. They are believed to be among the first people to come to Zambia from the Congo. They were led by a woman whose 5 children and a grandchild are the current chiefs of the Lenja people: Chief Mukuni Ngombe, Chief Liteta, Chief Mungule, Chief Chitanda, and Mukubwe.
Mwana kashi wakatushala mkanga. Mwana kashi uyu ibakaswa kukola kwa matiamfwa. Bakalinga bantu Botatwa 4 Kaseba, Mkanga, ngo mwana kashi, Mwansekanda, Amuku.
The great woman who is believed to have led this pilgrim was buried at what is called Likendolera Nkanga in the Chiwombo district. Her burial site has been turned into a shrine and is the arena for the Kulamba Kubwalo traditional ceremony held to pay homage to the senior chief Mukuni Ngombe and other Lenja chiefs for their good leadership to celebrate the harvest season and the new crops of the season. The 7 chiefdoms are however spread over 3 provinces: Lusaka, Central, and Copperbelt province. Mowa is the main dance of the Lenja-speaking people of the Central Province of Zambia and has been performed from pre-colonial times. Since pre-colonial times, the Lenja-speaking people have been ensuring the ability of Mowa dance by performing it at different social events that include traditional ceremonies, healing and cleansing ceremonies, weddings, funerals, harvest celebration, as well as installation of traditional leaders. Events such as this are an informal way of transmitting the elements to the young generation, hence its viability is ensured. It is also performed in parts of Copperbelt and Lusaka provinces by both males and females. However, in certain occasions, when the dance gets to its peak, the lead dancers get possessed by ancestral spirits called Vachova. Thus transcending into Choba's spiritual dance. In this case, the spirits take the lead into detecting the flow of the dance, drumming, and singing. The dance is performed by men and women. However, when the dance is being performed for spiritual purposes, different people have different responsibilities as follows: spiritual leader, spiritual matron, drummers, singers and dancers led by chief of the Lenja-speaking people of Chiwombo district, who is the custodian of the Lenja culture. skills are mainly transmitted through observation. The costumes include beads of different colors, traditional skirt called wuyombo, rattles locally known as masangwa worn around the calves. In addition, the many dancers hold a spiritual stick known as chimika, and in the other, a fly whisk made out of animal's tail. The geographical location and range of the intangible cultural heritage elements of the Moba dance is found in Chiwombo, Kapirimposhi, Ngabwe, Chisamba and Mumba district of Central Province. The dance is also performed in Masaiti and Pongwe district of Copperbelt Province, and Lusaka and Chongwe district of Lusaka Province of Zambia. The Moba dance plays an important role in the daily lives of the people because it is a social dance, and those that possessed by the Choba spirit used in healing sessions through evoking the spirit. Despite the fact that this dance is important to the local people and the nation at large, and also that it is being performed in 3 provinces of Zambia, this performance is not known worldwide as compared to other dances and performances such as Gole Wamkulu by the Chewa-speaking people of Eastern Province, and indeed Makishi dance performed by the Luvales of Northwestern Province of Zambia. It is therefore for this reason that the Department of Arts and Culture, under the Ministry of Tourism, with the support from UNESCO, undertook a research in the Lenja Chiefdom in order to get the Lenja Royal Establishment to consent to the promotion of the Moba dance comparably. The consent was obtained in both English and Lenja from 2 chiefs who signed consent paper for the nomination of Moba dance. Written and verbal consent was provided by Chief Liteta. The same was done for Senior Chief Mukuni Ngombe, Chief Chipepo. On behalf of the government and National Intangible Cultural Heritage Committee, the Director for Arts and Culture signed. The information was collected through inventorying of Lenja traditional practices in Central Province.